Hey everybody, it's that time of the month again where I am opening up the doors for you to come and join the Ultimate Body Transformation Club. And we only do this for 24 to 48 hours at the beginning of each month, depending on how quickly we fill up the available slots. So for those people who have no idea what the Body Transformation Club is all about, in this video I'm quickly going to talk about what it is and what you will get when you join the club today. But if you know that you are ready to come and join the last body transformation product that you will ever need, you can come and join right now at 6weeksixpack.com/club for the next 24 to 48 hours. But for those new members, what is the club all about? Well, I wanted to offer you something that will make sure that you never, ever have to wonder, buy, or search for another product to help you transform your body. Doesn't matter if you're looking for a workout, a diet, or a mindset or motivational strategy type product. You will have everything you need, whether you want to build muscle or lose fat, at home or at the gym, whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced. What I'm about to reveal today will provide you with everything you will need to transform your body, no matter what your goal. And so I want to introduce to you guys the brand new Body Transformation Club. And today I'm going to show you everything that you will get when you join today, and then I'm going to show you the massive discount I'm offering to all new members today that will be valid for 24 hours. And at the end of today's video, I'm even going to show you how you can get hold of one of these t-shirts 100% free. Are you guys ready? I am not going to talk too much about this, guys. I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to go through everything you will get as a member, and then I'm going to show you the price, and then you can just take action and get started. Let's get going. The very first thing you will get is the Ignition Challenge. This is the perfect beginner 21-day fat loss challenge, especially if you want to build a strong foundation and develop those healthy exercise and eating habits. So if you haven't been training for a while and you want to get back into it, this is the perfect place to start, the Ignition Challenge. Next, you will get the 21-day Express Fat Loss Challenge. This is the exact challenge that I personally use to this day whenever I need to lose a quick 2 to 3% body fat to get ready for a photo shoot or just for a special occasion. This is perfect for people who have 10 pounds or less to lose. And once again, guys, before we go any further, for those people who don't know, my products are complete. They are premium. That means every single product comes with daily email reminders, your workout information, follow along workouts, diet information, daily coaching videos. Each product has its own little membership section. You go in there, you get started, and you get results. You know these products work. Some of them has been around for over a decade, and they've been proven to work in the real world, okay? So if you don't know my products, now you know how it works. But the next thing you're gonna get is the 21-day Bodyweight Express Challenge. So 10 pounds or less to lose, and you wanna train at home using just your own body weight, this is the challenge for you. Next is for those people who have 20 pounds or more to lose. First is the legendary 6-week six-pack challenge. This challenge has been used by over 270,000 people in the last 7 years. It works, it's powerful, it will work for you. So if you want to train at home, you have 20 pounds or more to lose, this is the challenge for you. If you want to train at home, you have 20 pounds or more to lose, and you want to only use body weight exercises, then a Bodyweight Evolution Challenge is for you. If you want to build muscle at home, the Bodyweight Evolution Muscle Building Challenge is the one that you will use, and it will show you how to use bodyweight exercises and calisthenic exercises to build muscle at home. Next is for those people who are advanced, okay? You want to take things up to the next level, you will have access to the 6-week six-pack Extreme Challenge. Extremely powerful, extremely effective. It will take your fitness to a whole different level. But what about if you want to train at gym? If you want to lose fat at the gym, you have the System 84 Challenge. This is in fact the product that I used to lose the first 40 of my 100 pounds during my own body transformation 10 years ago. So extremely effective and powerful. And then guys, if you want to build muscle at the gym, you will have access to the Muscle Up Challenge. That was a product designed by top fitness model Justin Waltering. Once again, it will have everything in there that you need to achieve that specific goal as fast as possible. Your workouts, your diet, and your motivational and support system. Next, you will get access to the last diet manual you will ever need to read and go through. Why? Well, most diets out there are designed to achieve one specific goal, and so it becomes very limited. What if you can have a diet where you can learn how to eat healthy, the basics of eating healthy, and then learn how to customize it using more advanced strategies, whether you want to lose fat, build muscle, improve your performance, or improve your health? Well, that is what the Build Your Own Diet in 30-Minute Manual is all about, and you will get that with this pack today. Next, you're going to get my 27 recipes that I use during my own body transformation. They are simple, they are tasty, and they are healthy, and I promise you they will get you results. You will actually get addicted to some of these healthy meals. They are so damn tasty. So you will get access to this today with your club membership as well. Next, you're going to get access to my follow-along emergency workouts. I call these my ultimate extreme home circuit workouts. And these workouts are completely follow along, they're powerful, and they're perfect to use when you run out of time, when you do any of the challenges, and there's a day where you can't do the proper and complete and full workout that you need to do in a challenge. You just come and do one of these workouts and you will still get great results. They're just 12 minutes long, but they are extreme and they are powerful, and you will get all 6 of these. Next, you're going to get the Calisthenics Skills Pack. Guys, if you ever wanted to learn how to do a muscle up and how to do any of those extreme calisthenic exercises, this will teach you how to do it. You have over 8 different calisthenic skills in here that you can simply get started with and learn how to do. And then finally, guys, the ultimate bonus offer. As long as you're a member, you will get access to everything that I bring out in the future. You will never have to pay for anything in the future ever again from me. Okay, as far as digital products, you will get access to everything new. Let me give you an example of one new challenge coming out next year. Once again, something that nobody else is doing. Yes, it's not sexy, but this is an extremely important product that's going to make your life so much easier. It's called the Infinity Challenge, and this is the ultimate challenge to show you how to maintain your results effortlessly after you got ripped or you built muscle, so that you can stay in shape. There's no other product like this on the market. I'm going to teach you how to maintain your results, and you will get access to this also 100% free. But guys, any other product I bring out, as long as you're a member, you will get access to free of charge. So that alone as a bonus product is worth a lot of money. So guys, there you go. As you can see, you will have everything you need to transform your body, no matter what your goal is in the future. Whether you want to lose fat or build muscle, whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced, and whether you want to train at home or at the gym, you will have a product that's complete, that's been proven to work, and it will get you results. And as you can see, guys, all of this is worth almost $1,000. But I'm not going to charge you that today. But what if I did? What if I did charge you $1,000, and all it did was, meaning you never have to go and search for another product, waste more time going through the internet hoping to find something that's finally going to get you results. Would it be worth it? Of course it would be worth it. But today I'm going to give you a way better offer. For the next 24 hours, guys, there are 2 options. The first option is our brand new monthly membership. Okay, so instead of $40, you can lock your price in today for just $20, and you will never pay more than that. $20 a month, and you will get access to everything I've just shown you above and any new products that I bring out. And you can cancel at any stage. There's no long-term contracts or any of that nonsense. So you can come and join. Couple of months, if you just want to lose the last 5 or 10 pounds, use one of those express challenges, get ripped, and then cancel if you want. It's up to you. So that is option 1. And you can go and join right now at 6weeksixpack.com/club. You just pick your membership and you get started. But guys, for the next 24 hours, I've got something really special. I've put together something insane. You've already seen what everything is worth today. And even if you take the monthly membership at the discounted rate of $20, that is costing you $240 a year. Today, I'm going to offer for the next 24-hour lifetime memberships for just $147. That means you'll get access to everything I've shown you today for life, and you will get access to everything I bring out in the future free of charge. This is a one-time fee. I should be charging way more for this, but I wanted to do something really special to say thank you to all our members for all the continued support throughout this year. So if you want to pay a one-time fee today and never ever pay again for the rest of your life, for a workout, for a diet, for anything else that can help you transform your body, this is the membership for you. And more importantly, for all our lifetime members, you will get one of these t-shirts 100% free of charge. I'll ship it to wherever you are in the world. So guys, right now, it's time for you to take action. And all you have to do is decide whether you go with the monthly membership or whether you're taking a lifetime membership, and you'll only have to pay once today and never again. That's up to you. You can go to 6weeksixpack.com/club and you can pick the membership you want to go with, and you will get access to all these products right now once you join. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by today. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys inside the members area. And until the next time, keep it simple and have fun out there. Bye-bye.